everybody, and welcome to another episode of Plumbing Yoga. And this position today is in a sitting position. I'm sure this probably looks a little weird with my hands like this, but we got to get this valve off, which the handle broke. So let's go ahead and get to that. Don't forget to breathe. Doing a great job, everybody. It's like we're painting a pretty little picture. The fun part is when you still have water inside of it. Boy, isn't that fun? Ooh, we're making steam now. Now this one's best to do in a restaurant environment because it's nice and busy. So, as you can see, there's lots of noise and things going on around me, which makes it all sorts of fun. Boy, don't you miss acetylene some days? I know I do. Well, anyway, I'm going to have to get back to it. This is going to end up being too long of a video. You guys have a great day, and we'll catch you next time.